Check, check. Alright, so we're still inside of the wedge looking thing. RTY starting, uh, continuing to displace higher. So we've made a daily for value gap there. 4 hour chart. Nobody's like displacing higher. ES still has this 4 hour there. All right, so yeah, we swept these relative equal highs here on the Dow. We had the Russell SMT in the move down. I was short, but I got out early because of the close, and I didn't re-enter. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know, just miss out or hope for another entry tomorrow. I think this is gonna go down. I think that's my bias. And that lines up with Russell here with these relative equal highs here. They're inverted now. Dude, what's going on? So I think we're gonna come down and invert this. All right. Yeah, nice big displacement candle there. 50-minute chart, clear market structure shift, 2022 model entry there. Um, yeah, looks like it's just gonna continue lower. But yeah, YM has relative equal highs too, though, so gotta be aware of that. And flows end of the day kind of bearish, not super bearish, just on SPY. Tide was bullish, so nothing crazy. Just it just looks like it's gonna rotate back down and then move back up. That's what I'm thinking. We got smooth lows here on ES. Same thing on Nasdaq. So I think a soup of that makes sense, especially if we look back at this low where we kind of had some tricky stuff going on. Um, I think we could easily still come down lower. But for now, I'm just in the mindset that this is at least a short-term short. So I'm just gonna delete some of these because they're probably just gonna go off in the middle of the night. But yeah, I mean, I wish I could have just held that through the end of the day. Sadly, I couldn't. Um, I'd give myself a C plus. I'll come back to that. One great thing I did was taking all of the setups. Usually I am too scared, especially after being green, but I could have been triple green if I held the trades I was in and not letting emotions take over. Still a great job, though. This is exactly what I'm working towards, and today was a good step forward compared to other days where I try to catch multiple moves and get too emotional, I'll be able to be green more often as well as be much more green size-wise and get in more and more reps versus before fast tracking me to success. Today's mistakes, errors, traded outside of my time, random prior to 8:30 because I wasn't patient and didn't wait for clarity on time. Didn't hold the trades I was supposed to. Let my emotions take over with fear, causing me to be scared about losing my green. Need to let that go and just trade. Just trade, dude. Solutions. Just trade. No P&L. Shit. Very good. I really put in the work today versus last few weeks. Overall, great day since I put in the work, and that's literally all that matters. Keep doing what I did today and keep making adjustments trading wise. And in a few years, I'll look back and smile. All right. So yeah, I still think we're gonna get a short. That might be it though. I mean, would I take this as a long? No. I'd wait for a cleaner level. So yeah, maybe we'll still get a short, and then maybe I'll still be able to catch a long. So yeah, other than that, not much else to say here. Maybe look at the stock index chart, see if I'm missing anything. Still that really clean level on Russell, and we were getting that like divergence thing going on with ES and Nasdaq. Um, yeah, and the flows weren't anything special, so I think if anything, it is just supporting more bullishness because we have some small bear and we get the short back down and we get the long back up. So yeah, just need to see the overnight levels, and I think we're good. Um, we've got like smooth highs here on Nasdaq, so that's there. We've got smooth lows here, trend line, you know, sweep going on there. Just really obvious levels here that retail's going to be trying to trade. All right, I think that's it. Um, I'm not. This is pretty simple to me. It's just, is the short going to continue? I think it is, and wait till tomorrow. So, not much to really like say here. I guess for just looking back, need to look at replay to get clear on ESN and Q. Short so far, then long. Long. If sets up on YM. then yeah, we got a daily SMT there too. So you think we'd want to go somewhere into this wick, at least 50%, and 50% of today, that's back down into here. So yeah, all right. I really like how Russell's being weak here, by the way. This is perfect for this short. So all right, what else? What else? Yep, that's good enough for this, man. That's good enough. Are we failing anywhere? I mean, we're failing to the downside and we're failing to the upside. So yeah, could go either way. That's why I like the short still. All right, that's it. Oh wait, and then I guess we can do a quick review. Yeah, so I was looking for, nah,